welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your phone. Now just open, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And right now you can see that your battery temperature is 31.6. Also you can see here the health of your battery, the model of your phone, the Android version, and another information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.